And so this notorious person that is disturbing Musa Mataza, we know him, is Muhammad. That is his name. And everybody, his father, his mother, his grandfather was born there. There was a day I called for a meeting here, a high-level security meeting in the State Government House on how to operate and deal with the situation. Yeah. 5 minutes after the meeting, he knows what we have discussed. There are moles among us, mole among the security, mole among the communities.
This is Monday, the 11th day of May 2026. Good afternoon, everyone. All right, yesterday there was a video posted by English and Alhaji, and the video, a lot of people are having mixed reaction to it. A lot of people are reacting to it. So I took time to watch the video. Then there are so many things we need to talk about in that video. I also summarized people's comments under the section. Majority of people are telling him to be very careful and be safe. And then others are asking where do they get his number. And English and Alhaji have explained that his WhatsApp number is always on his bio there on Facebook. So it is easy to just click on WhatsApp there and you get down to his WhatsApp. So there is no question about that. Now, I know that the reason why people are asking that is so many people who don't like him. So many people don't like what he's doing, trying to set him up and so on and so forth. So they are trying to link him to, oh, this guy is part of them. That is the agenda of people who don't like him. Now, let me go straight to the point why I'm making this video. I'm not making this video because of what others are talking. I'm making this video because of my observation. Who are these terrorists? Who are these terrorists? Now, we carried out investigation. By the way, I have a tool. I have a tool to bring out people's comments. If there is any particular comment I'm looking for, maybe people who know these people, if I want to search it, I have a tool. Even though it's 1 million comment, I can bring out, select what people are saying differently. So I got some information from there. Like this man, Olawande Olasimipo. Look at what he wrote. I swear, these bandits are calling from Southwest. I have seen one of them before. You know the reason why I'm mentioning this guy? Because I have not been able to contact him. I didn't see where to send him message. This kind of message, people who are saying that they know these terrorists, they are 9 comments I extracted from the comment section yesterday. Not only English and Alhaji comment section, but on Facebook. So I extracted all these comments. So I wrote them. And I have a reason why I'm not bringing them on social media for their safety. Because of some of the things I discussed with them. So these people are well-known people. These people at the time, they operated in Ondo State. People from Ondo State. Some of them, they will know these faces. Okay? Then, some part of Kogi State, they were there. But these people presently, they were calling from Kwara State. You know why I'm making this video? Justice Crack posted something online. And what he posted is something that is correct. He was not trying to demoralize the soldiers. He was just trying to protect the people he feel that they are being treated unjustly. That kind of food, it doesn't make sense to soldiers who are fighting Boko Haram and so on and so forth, that they need motivation. It was picked up. I know it could also be for a political reason. They picked him up. Up to today, this man is still in detention. But you see, these terrorists, look at the gun they are showing. These people are not hiding. The federal government cannot say they don't know where these people are. The federal government cannot say they don't know where they took this gun. Who bought this gun for them? Anti-aircraft guns can only be sold to government. You understand? Anti-aircraft gun can only be sold to government. Like all these people, they are just playing with Nigerians. Because Nigerians deserve to be played. We deserve to be played. We don't understand anything going on. All people are after now is 2027 election. See, look at, you see, this is just a group of people in one particular place showing this kind of gun. They have different centers. The day they will call these people to go all out against you, no soldier, no police will save you. These are the things that people are supposed to be curious about. People are supposed to be talking. Now, I spoke with a lot of people who said they know them. Before they come out to tell you they know them, hey, these people are not hiding. They are in the cities. They move around. But that is not what I'm trying to. I have a very shocking conversation with one person from Kwara State. Because all these things they are saying, I am taking it like an allegation. Because if you have been following me since, you know that I don't talk what I don't know. And I don't talk what I don't have the evidence. So that is why I'm saying that I'm taking it as an allegation. The man from Kwara State told me that he perceived that one of these people is a member of, what is it called, the hunters. All those people, federal government, all those people that they say they are going to form hunters in the bush. There is an allegation, I repeat, there is an allegation that they are part of those people they call the hunters. So we have to do more investigation, and I will update you as we get more information, because as far as I'm concerned, as far as Okocha Marcel is concerned, everything these people are telling me now is just like an allegation. Okay? Until we'll be able to prove the fact. Just like when someone was kidnapped. Who was kidnapped? There was a guy that was kidnapped. So someone who passed the back was wearing military uniform. So some people alleged that that man was a Nigerian soldier. So we took the face, we did a lot of investigation. At the end, we discovered that the person was not Nigerian soldier. Okay, so that is why I'm saying that this is an allegation, but this allegation must be taken serious. It must be taken serious, because if they are part of the hunters, directly we will know that the federal government are the one who owns those guns, who sponsor them. Not that we don't know that people in government have been sponsoring insecurity and all these terrorists. This is what everybody knows. Governors knows. Security operative knows. Benue governor made the statement. He said they conducted a judicial panel of inquiry, that they indicted politicians arming people who are killing people in Benue. So he said it on national television, Channels television. We have Zamfara governor, Dauda Lawa, who come out to say that, yes, Minister of Defense State Matawande is arming these terrorists, is arming these bandits. So he said it on national television. So these are not issue you say is sensitive. It is no longer sensitive, okay? Because the allegation is there, the proof is there. If you know what they call judicial panel of inquiry, you will know that that statement from Benue governor is not a joke. So they have done investigation. They link people sponsoring insecurity to people in Senate, people in Aso Rock. The governor made a statement, but as usual, Nigerians don't care. Everybody will just go to bed. So unfortunate. Now, the reason why I want to dig deep about the allegation of one person look like a hunter, one person look like all these hunters who are in the bush saying that they are fighting bandits, is because Nigerian army arrested 4 Bororo Fundani people in Kwara State, the same Kwara State. This is 8 months ago, right? So the Nigerian soldiers, after arresting them, they hand it over to the I think it's CID in Kwara State of Police Criminal Investigation Division, something like that. After the military handed it over to these people, a call came from Abuja, because the terrorists said, oh, we are not terrorists, so it was Rebadu, the NSA, that gave us this gun. At first, the military did not believe them. You know why? In Nigeria, a civilian don't have right to carry AK-47, what is it called? Anti-aircraft guns. Even military don't have these guns now. Soldiers going to fight Boko Haram, they don't give them anti-aircraft guns. So how come a vigilante is having it and say Rebadu gave it to him? Does it make sense? Are you connecting the dots? So the investigation started. They put call on Rebadu's office. Rebadu office admitted that they armed them with sophisticated weapons. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Rebadu office admitted that they armed them. Then after that, what next? After admitting that they armed them, those people were released. They were released. And ever since then, the insecurity continues. And this is what they are saying, that this guy wearing cap seems to be like a member of a hunter, Nigeria Hunters Association, something like that. So where do we move from here? But in Plateau State, members of civilian volunteer guard who are protecting the people in Plateau, the military are coming to arrest them. They disarm them. After arresting them and disarming them, the terrorists will continue to kill. Every blessed the people are being killed in Plateau State. So I just want to make this thing to be clear to people. This is what is actually going on. And it is not going to go well with anyone. No, because we are not taking the right direction. We are not reacting the right way, the way we are supposed to react, and so on and so forth. So, if you have such information, all these things, let me know, write me, and I'm going to respond. And I promise you it will be confidential. I will always protect your identity and so on and so forth. But I am trying my best. Let us dig to the end of this. Okay. Let us get to the end of this and actually understand. Not that maybe at the end the investigation is going to change anything. No, it's not going to change anything. You get it? It's not going to change anything, but it is important we keep on documenting these things so that we'll be able to tell people the truth of what is going on. Anyway, if I am the one who made that video, the DSS knows where I am. They could have come to pick me, or the military will just come and pick me. You see, those people, they spoke Hausa, they spoke Yoruba, and one of them was speaking Fufudi, the Fulani language. You understand? That does not mean that whether they are Yoruba or Fulani or Hausa, okay? But I want to say something. This is not sentiment. If they spoke Igbo, they will say that these people are IPOP. You get it? Or if they had called from the southeast, they will say it is IPOP. Anyway, I'll keep you updated.
Ya yo,
Lafiya ya jama'a.
mun gode.
Aboki,
Eh,
ita leo. Akusho.
eh,
Ita leo akusho bao ni awon ko lenko.
why,
Ah,
why
mo
ya,
za fara
why
ne.
ya koya maka Yoruba?
Da wanda ji turanci nan.
Kai, this is my guy no get English.
Me English, ni bana jin turanci kuma, ni bana jin turanci.
Baka jin English.
Bana jin English.
Labari ne, kana jin English.
Bana
Kai
jin,
ba Yoruba.
bana jin turanci.
Ba Yoruba.
Ba Yoruba.
Ko si Yoruba.
Sai
Yoruba baja ko.
ba Yoruba.
Bajaj da ne.
Sai Hausa da sai Hausa, sai Hausa, sai Hausa.
Oga ya. Ga ka pa Yoruba mun baka Yorubanci ba.
Ya jama'a,
Mun gode Allah, ya yau.
lafiya lau biyo shiru, ka shiru.
Yo, me kan
Allah
buru
ka
ba. Kai, kai,
Kan bro.
kai,
Aboki aka yi.
kai,
Aka gane su.
kai.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Lórí.
Hey,
Aganiko. Hey, agbaku ọba. Wàlá agbaku ọwà. Ṣé àbí farbálẹ̀ ni? Zoro gidi máa bẹ́ẹ̀lì.
Ashe kuna ji Yoruba sosai.
To wai kai
Ni ba Yorùbá.
Kuna ji Yoruba
Yorùbá
sosai.
bájá o. Ṣé àbí ga abun nan? Daga Najeriya to wai ma.
ile lenu ka ile lena wanta.
Bana ji Yoruba.
Baka jin Yoruba, baka jin Dakaranci, baka jin Ingili, baka jin Buroko.
Bana ji, sai Hausa.
Kana matsayi mai zafin baki ga kai ya gane ka ya gaba Yorùbá.
Kuma kai ba musulmi, ka ce ba musulmi bane kai.
Ni musulmi na Christian.
Na to.
Na Kirista. Ce la ilaha illallah.
La ilaha illallah.
Kai musulmi ne haufa aboki.
Daga kama ni? Ka ce wai zaka kama ni?
Kaga sojan mu, kaga ko.
Na gan shi.
To, kaga kayan aiki ko.
La ilaha illallah. Yo.
Ka gani?
Yo.
Kuma ji jama'a.
Kai, aboki get English.
Ka ce wai zaka kama ni ko?
Ƙungiyar CCF ce mu nan, ka gane.
La ilaha illallah.